stars shining up to the sky. 'Cause we got what fire. Yeah, we got.
National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Choctaw County in central Mississippi, northeastern Etowah County in central Mississippi, northern Winston County in east central Mississippi until 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 6:24 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 7 miles northeast of Smyrna or 9 miles east of Kosciuszko, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and $half size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near McMillan around 6:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. Louisville around 6:50 p.m. Central Standard Time. Mill Creek around 6:55 p.m. Central Standard Time. Bethesda around 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include McTool and Ethel. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.